What I enjoyed most today was learning about the different areas of art, and digital art really stood out to me.
I really enjoyed learning about the importance of working together and how it can positively impact your art.
I learned how good it is to work with others.
I learned how to work well with other teams in MLP.
I enjoyed meeting new friends.